When we were children, we didn't have many expectations. We hoped that there were no monsters under the bed. We hoped to get answers to all the interesting things we saw in the world. And, we just hoped to play all day. The biggest expectation we had was that we'd get presents at Christmas. Unfortunately, bad things happen. And for many families, the only way to fulfill that expectation was to hope for a miracle from the angels. How can we help you to be that angel? Let us introduce the angel tree that fulfills children's wishes. Maxima is the leading grocery store chain whose core value is to take care of families. During Christmas, Maxima became a middleman and gave everyone visiting Maxima a chance to become a true angel. Christmas trees, or rather angel trees, were placed in Maxima's malls, filled with children's gift wishes. We aired a TV clip showing how to become an angel.
Igaüks võib olla ingel. Ka sina, mine lihtsalt Maximasse, leia sealt inglipuu ning vali sellelt mõne vähekindlustatud perelapse kingisoov. Tee talle just selline kingitus, mida ta vajab ning anna kink Maxima kassasse või infoletti ja usu. Kellegi jaoks oledki sa tõeline ingel. Maxima, see mis vaja.
In many cities, Christmas parties were held where the presents were delivered to the children. Results? There were 1,300 gift wishes, and all the 1,300 were fulfilled. That means angels are real.